Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today's topic, Power BI aggregation function. Today we will look at commonly used DAX aggregate, which is SUMX. SUMX function take as its first argument a table or an expression that return a table. Second argument is a column that contains the numbers you want to sum or an expression that evaluates the column. That is a formula for the SUMX. And here we have a table called product sale. On this product sales table, we have two columns, product and sales dummy data. We have the cost of the product and we have the name of the product. So what the SUMX is going to do on this particular instance is going to add row by row. So milk row, bread row, sugar row, ice cream row, chips row, and then work out what is the SUMX of that. But if it was, we are using sum, it will just add the column, everything on the column. But a SUMX is looping, row by row, row by row. And that is the main difference. We will cover this into deeper as we continue with our Power BI demos. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see how we can be able to apply this SUMX function to be able to calculate the prices of products on the sales table. So what we do, the first thing we do, we create a new tab, a new dashboard. There you go. So I already brought the product there. So what you need to do now, we just need to add the sales dummy data which we are adding. So we just click it and we have that data there. So we now need to create a measure using our new function, which is SUMX. So we create a new measure. And we give our new measure the name. So we call it SUMX demo. As always, we start on equals and our function is SUMX. So we hit SUMX there. And our table name is called sales product. Our expression there is a sales product dummy data because we are adding that column. And that's what it does. So once you're happy, we commit by clicking that tick. So we got a card there, and then we bring our measure, and that gives us to 15, which you can also bring here, and that is 15. So, but what these have done, the SUMX have done, it has added row, not the column. So that's a main difference, yeah. So it's adding row by row. Row by row. So it's got the capability to differentiate what rows am I adding. While the sum, it doesn't have that capability because the sum just come to the column and add everything on the column. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and commenting.